experiment colorful fireworks in a glass with Sharky Class. Today, our baby Shark Tank friends in Sharky Class enjoyed an exciting STEAM activity, fireworks in water. What happens when water, food coloring, and a little bit of science come together? The answer is a beautiful burst of colorful fireworks blooming inside a glass of water. Masy carefully watched as the colors spread through the water like sparkling fireworks lighting up the night sky. Her eyes were filled with curiosity and wonder. Shamy confidently predicted which color would spread the fastest and eagerly shared ideas with teachers and friends. Ruby was amazed to see the colorful streams moving gracefully through the water like tiny galaxies. Lucky carefully added drops of color, practicing concentration, fine motor skills, and scientific observation. Through this STEAM experiment, children explored the concept of dissolving and color diffusion in water while developing observation skills, critical thinking, and curiosity. Is science learning difficult for preschoolers? Not at all. When learning is turned into hands-on experiments and exciting discoveries, science becomes fun and engaging. Every day in Sharky Class is a new adventure where children develop creativity, scientific thinking, and a lifelong love of learning. Have you ever tried a science experiment at home with your child? Comment below and let Baby Shark know. Hashtag #NamNamBabias, hashtag Baby Shark Preschool, hashtag SHA_RKY Class, hashtag SteamForKids, hashtag Science Experiment, hashtag Fun Learning, hashtag Preschoolize, hashtag Early Education, hashtag Baby Shark.